Folks, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aman Gultam from class 7F, from class 10B. And now, the title of my project is Pencil Case. The material, what we need is, first is ruler, and of course the box, scissor, then last is pencil, and maybe you need sharpener if your pencil is dull and you need to sharpen it. The box, we will count the size of the box. Someone just called me. Wait, I just make pencil case. Yeah, maybe 5 minutes again I will go there and you just wait, stay in there. Thanks. Okay, and this is the result. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we need to stick it together. Wait, I forget something. I just remember. This very important thing, tape. Okay. Is this one. So welcome to part 2 of the tutorial to make pencil case. So now we will make the inside of pencil case. The first we have tape, ruler, pen, and of course for cut the box we need, yeah, it's your option, you want use scissor or cutter, but I prefer to cutter. In here you can see I have 3 rectangle and 1 square, and now after we draw it, we make a line, we need to cut it, but it will take a long time. So I have already done the ingredients. Yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. And next we will move a little bit, and we need tape. The first, put the instruction like this, yeah, and use your tape to stick it on. So we arrived to the last step. This is in this step we will stick the door of the pencil case, and this is again behind it. Gaps, and the last one, yeah, and we're done. Like you can see, this is pencil case. Okay, we will try. Okay. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.